Okay guys, here we are again. So how can I say? I'm not getting bored. Every day it's something new to fix. For myself, for friends, for, you know, neighbors, whatever. And today I have a camera. This is a Wi-Fi camera, surveillance camera. I'm using it on the side of my house. Unfortunately, making some changings under the roof, you know, with my modems and all some other stuffs, including Wi-Fi antennas and all these stuffs, proves that this camera, it's not connecting anymore. It's funny that up here in my office, let's call it, it's working. So, for sure, that's a matter of antenna. I got this antenna out from the camera, which I have to say, it's a joke. I mean, it have to be like 2 meters near the modem or something. That's the antenna. I mean, that was the antenna. Now it's gone. And yeah, that's the electronic for this little camera. And what I want to do is to adapt one of this mama, much better, much stronger, and probably with better reception. Now I'm trying to find the place here to have the socket mount. Here. And that was a few mechanical stuff. It's done. Voila. Now let me find in between my stuffs. Let me find the proper connector. Okay, I think I got one. But let's see if it fits the antenna. No, this is a clear. You see? But I have a trick about this. So I'll use a piece of wire in between the things, you know, like make it male to male. But that should be okay. Now let me try. What about this? Oh, this is a female, obviously. Does it fit to the board? Oh yes, the one on the board it's a male and this one it's a female. Okay, that's nice. Now let's see if I can put this. Oh, I need some washers. Maybe a big one like that. What do you think about this? It's from there. Look. And now another big washer going outside. Okay. This is perfect, strong, and in a proper positioning. Let me check, maybe I have another antenna. I have another one, smaller. You know something? I'll try to fit this one first. Let's go with the big mama. You know, sometimes size doesn't really matter when it's a matter of antenna or antennas. Now let me find a piece of wire to get there in between the things. Is this two? No, it's two. Oh. Look here. Ha! I knew that. I knew that. Okay, everything back. So I have exactly what I need. This is a male. You see that? Perfect. So you get out of here. Man, I knew that I have some proper. Okay. Of course this is a little bit longer, but the cable it's better. I knew this kind of cable from my other experiments. It's better. Come on, what's wrong with you? Okay. Needs a little help. Solid, yes it is. Shall we twist it some more? I don't think we really need that. Okay, now it's time to put the things together. So here I have the board. The board come this way. So that's the antenna connection, which clicked very nice. Now this is power and loudspeakers and motor control, all these stuffs, and this is everything related to the camera. Perfect. Okay, now we can power on and wait for the result. Oh, yeah, antenna. Perfect fits. Perfect. Power on. The camera should tell us what's the status of the things. 30 milliamps by the power meter. 250. Yeah, 30 milliamps. We should be okay now.
System starting up. Connecting. Please wait.
Thank you.
Connector router successfully.
Oh yeah. And now I should be able to see it on my phone. Oh yeah. Look there. There's the camera. Pam pam pam. Yeah, it's working. Okay, let's put it back and we should go outside and have the test with the right positioning. What's happening here? Oh, that's fine. Perfect. Now it's looking good and all I have to do is to put it position. Okay, so the camera will be up there. That's the camera. Okay. Hello. Let's wait for the connection signal. Come on.
System starting up. Connecting. Please wait.
What?
Connector router successfully.
There we go. It's done. Okay, let's see what's happening with the application. Come on up. Look there. Beautiful. You see? Working perfect. I put it in purpose to slow speed. And not only, but we have the audio. kind of crazy, but it's there. Okay, I change it to high definition, cleaning the things around the house. So today it's still on 0040. Okay, I'll fix the time later, but the camera, it's working as it should. I'm really glad for that. Okay, now it's on high definition and still working. So yes people, that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and I may say that was an interesting mood. Now the camera is working and I have no problem with Wi-Fi and so on. Well, see you like always. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, push the like button. I'm waiting your comments too. Thanks to my sponsors, and don't forget to have fun. See you soon. Bye bye.